Newton's first law of motion. First law of motion deals with bodies which are either at rest or moving with uniform speed in a straight line. It can be stated as: a body continues its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line provided no net force acts on it. First law of motion deals with bodies which are either at rest or moving with uniform speed in a straight line. According to Newton's first law of motion, a body at rest remains at rest provided no net force acts on it. This part of the law is true as we observe that objects do not move by themselves unless someone moves them. For example, a book lying on a table remains at rest as long as no net force acts on it. Similarly, a moving object does not stop moving by itself. A ball rolled on a rough ground stops earlier than that rolled on a smooth ground. It is because rough surfaces offer greater friction. If there would be no force to oppose the motion of a body, then the moving body would never stop.
Since Newton's first law of motion deals with the inertial property of matter, therefore, Newton's first law of motion is also known as law of inertia.
We have observed that the passengers standing in a bus fall forward when its driver applies brakes suddenly. It is because the upper parts of their bodies tend to continue their motion, while lower parts of their bodies in contact with the bus stop with it. Hence, they fall forward. When a bus takes a sharp turn, passengers fall in the outward direction. It is due to inertia that they want to continue their motion in a straight line and thus fall outwards.